Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So as usual, let us see the post-market analysis for 13th of August before we move ahead and see the analysis for 14th, sorry 16th, that is tomorrow. So one thing you need to remember, or just let us take a look at how market behaved. Okay, so one thing, just remember from this particular thing that I had already marked this as a resistance, good resistance zone, and we also had a resistance trend line. So as market opened above, we saw a resistance somewhere around 36,200 and market falling down. Okay, now what we have to see, or what we need to take care or keep in mind, that when we have such particular level, that is round figure level 36,000 or 36,500, or any level which is around about of 500 or 1000 level, round 1000 level, then we need to see that if market opens above gap up, okay, then this level would act as a support. So initially it was marked as a strong resistance level, you can see. Why? Because market had just closed below this, and it has resisted market to cross. But what we saw, market opened with a gap up, and as our support and resistance rule, if the resistance is broken, it would act as a support. And same what we see, that from this particular level itself we saw a bounce back. Again we can see that from the same level we had got the support, and market has been taking the support of this particular trend line as well. So let us see what do we have for tomorrow. So this is what I was talking about. The market took the support of this trend line and bounced back from this particular level 36,000. So you can take, or you can see how resistance and support lines do play a major role while trading. Okay, so let us see the resistance and support levels. At the bottom, we have 35,500 as a support. Strongest support is at 36,000. We still have a strong resistance at 36,000, where we can see market resisting at this particular point. A stronger resistance is at 36,500. So we have a two resistance zone. We have one, we can say this is a strong resistance zone of 36,200 to 300, where market resisted heavily. We can see over here market was trying to cross this level, but it could not cross, and we saw a sharp selling. Same day, the next day also, when market opened gap up, we saw the sharp selling from this particular level, and again when market tried to cross this level, we saw a downfall. Okay, and at the bottom we have a good support zone from 35,800 to 900. So market is still bullish. It's moving its support daily, or at least after alternate days, 100 levels above. So previously it was between 35,700 to 800. Now it has been shifted to 800 to 900. Okay, I don't see much. It is same support and resistance level what we saw or for Friday. Okay, just to take a look at more important point is, you can see market has been taking support of this trend line now more than, it's about four times. So more chances if market come close to this particular level of breaking down. But two things, we have a strong support horizontal level as well. And how far it will come, it would come to this particular level 35,900. So this is a good support level from where we can see a bounce back. So let us consider how to take the trade now. So if market opens gap up, okay, so gap up, I mean at least 100 points, that is about 36,200, then we may see a resistance of this particular zone and market can come down. If it opens gap up above 36,300 and it is crossing this resistance line, then we can see a good rally from 36,300 to 36,500. Next is if market opens flat, that is between 36,100 to 200, then it would be a no trade zone, and do not enter into the trade unless market shows its move. Okay. Let us consider if market opens gap down that is below 36,100 level, then we can see market may take the support of this support line as it is close to another support zone or support level 36,000. We can see a bounce back, or it may break down as well. So based on this support and resistance level, please do take the trades. And what I think is market may go on sideways between 36,100 level to 300 level, based on what we have a strong resistance level zone and a support levels as well. So I hope you like my analysis, guys. Please share into the comment section what do you feel and what all things you need or any queries, and do share it with your friends as well, and subscribe to my channel to get the daily analysis.